won't stop till I hear him say,
Warning. The information that we convey in these videos and the content on this page simply provides general consumer information. It is not legal advice or regulatory guidance. It is not intended to sway your personal bias in any way. We are simply just relaying information already available to the general public. We highly suggest you do your own research and draft your own opinion on the topics disclosed in this video breakdown. Without further ado, sit back, relax, enjoy this video breakdown, and if you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, consider doing so now.
I mean, most of the people have no clue about the financial system. They have no clue what's actually going on. They are too busy with their little 9-to-5 life.
Okay, what is going on, CYPRX advanced YouTubers? Welcome back to the CYPRX YouTube page. In today's video breakdown, we're going to do a quick technical analysis update on XRP. I'm going to give you guys my short-term price predictions throughout the rest of this year. I just wanted to take a second and say thank you for all the individuals that really do support this YouTube channel, for the individuals that our technical analysis sits well with, who do appreciate the technical analysis that we provide here at CYPRX. I could not be thankful or grateful enough for you guys that show love and support on this YouTube page. There are some individuals out there that show hate in the comments, that hate on our success here at CYPRX. It doesn't matter where you go in life. There's always going to be those individuals. And I just want you all to know that we don't pay attention to that stuff here at CYPRX. So for the people that do actually appreciate the value that we provide here at CYPRX and the tweet call outs that we put out ahead of time, the technical analysis that we provide here, and the education that we provide here at CYPRX, again, I just wanted to take a second out of my day to say thank you. I see it all. I see it all in the comments. I see the negative comments in the description down below. I see the positive comments in the description down below. I really do appreciate it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so thank you so much. If you're one of those individuals that supports what we do here at CYPRX, like I said, I cannot be more grateful. There's individuals that have a lower vibrational frequency. They operate on a lower level. They're scum of this earth. The people that take it out of their day to comment negatively. We don't need you as viewers on this page, okay? We're not here to attempt to sit well with you. You're the type of individuals whom we don't want on our team, whom we don't care if we resonate with you or not, because you will always be stuck in the system of following moon boys, of not paying attention to detail, of not allowing an educational platform like CYPRX to really resonate with what it is that we're trying and attempting to achieve here, because you have no self-thought. You have no independent thought. You don't have the ability to see outside the box and actually see what we are trying to do here at CYPRX. So for those individuals that do, and for those individuals whose brains actually resonate with the information that we put out here, thank you all so much. Okay, you guys know who you are. You know who you are sitting behind the computer watching this information. And if our videos have helped you out in the past, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We do appreciate the love and the support. Okay, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, again, putting our money where our mouth is at, I just want to show you guys putting call outs way ahead of time. Always. If you don't follow us on Twitter, link is in the description down below. Best way to follow us is copy that link, post it in your internet browser. Because we are shadow banned, they don't like the fact that we speak the truth on our Twitter. They have shadow banned us, which means that you can't just go and look up our Twitter name. You actually have to copy the link in the description to find us on Twitter. I said to you guys 4 months ago, and this, when I put this tweet out to you guys, again, like I said, there's haters in the little comments. They don't like when I put out valuable information. They go against it. However, here at CYPRX, we trade logically, we trade algorithmically, we trade with maturity. Okay, there's just, it's insane what people and how their brains are so saturated into believing something that is not real. Okay, check this out. I said to you guys, and again, like I said, this did not resonate with people at the time that I put this out. Why did it not resonate with people at the time that I put this out? Because all these bullish moon boys and YouTubers were out there putting out false information, leading people to believe that the court case was going to be over sometime in spring or sometime in September, or now even sometime in October. They're still misleading people into believing that there's going to be some type of case settlement. Okay, I said to you guys, the solution to the Ripple versus SEC case won't be over until spring 2023. Around the same time, banks have plans for ISO 222 implementation. Just watch. Eyes on. The SEC will delay this case 4 to 5 more times. Since I put this tweet out to you guys, they have delayed it 3 times already. Okay, so there's only 2 more times via the prediction that I put out to you guys 4 months ago. But 4 to 5 more times to prolong the court case. And until then, save this tweet, 2023. Springtime, the case will be resolved. Now, look at what Watcher Guru put out to you guys this week, October 11th, Okay. He said, or she said, I don't know who's in control of this Twitter, but Washer Guru tweeted out, Justin, Ripple CEO says he expects an answer in the SEC case by the first half of 2023. Where does that leave us at? Springtime 2023. Where did I tell you guys 4 months ago this was going to take place? Springtime 2023. Yet you still follow all these bullish moon boys that give you these crazy, outrageous bullish price predictions. People telling you that there was going to be a settlement in September. Clearly didn't happen. People still telling you with 16 days left in October that there's going to be a settlement this month, and with 75 days left this year that there's going to be a settlement this year. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not how our judicial system, our court system, our legal system works here in the United States. It takes time. And when you understand that, you will see the bigger picture and you will see it all coming to fruition next year in 2023. Be patient. I cannot stress enough. Stop falling victim to buying tops. Stop falling victim to believing these bullish moon boy price predictions are going to come into fruition, and understand the macro environment, and understand here at CYPRX, we have 7 years of experience in this market, and we are providing valuable information ahead of time to you guys. So with that being said, if you guys do follow us on Twitter, then most likely you saw this tweet where I called out to you guys so that way you did not buy at a top. I said to you guys that we are going to see a drastic pullback in price. With that being said, before I read this tweet, I want you guys to take something into consideration. Bearish pressure is still being implemented into this market because of the macro perspective and the strength of the United States dollar. That means that every single time people FOMO into this market, potentially, let's just say, for example, XRP as an example, because that's predominantly driven by these fundamental influencers and things of that nature, where everybody thinks that because some decision by Judge Torres that comes out, the market's going to pump. That's not reality, ladies and gentlemen. Wake up. But every time that does happen, okay, you can expect a drastic pullback because there are still a lot of predominant sellers in this market based off the macro environment. Okay. With that being said, every single time you see a 20, 30, 40, 50% pump on XRP, you can expect that the market is going to pull back. Until we see regulatory clarity, you are going to see this type of price action where we are not in a bull market right now. So that means that every time we see temporary bullish pressure or a pump in the market, there will be a pullback. Do not buy tops. Learn a sound technical analysis approach to these markets, regardless if it's the CYPRX strategy or somebody else's strategy that you find on YouTube, whatever the case may be. Highly doubt it though, because there's so many saturated players in this market that are teaching you improper technical analysis. But learn a sound technical analysis strategy so that way you guys do not buy tops and you can actually build a portfolio. So taking your attention to this tweet before we get into the technical analysis and my price predictions short term on XRP, I said to you guys on October 7th, this was Friday of last week, ladies and gentlemen, a week in advance. I told you guys this. Okay. I said, don't get too excited just yet. A major pullback into 41 to 42 cents. Now, those price targets have not come into fruition yet. I will bite the bullet on that one, but I tried to warn you guys that we were going to see a price depreciation before we see another bullish pump on XRP, hopefully saving your guys' portfolios. I said 41 to 42 cents is still on the cards until 56 cents is broken and a higher high is made. Then after that, eyes on 60 cents. Can the bulls win the battle? That's the question. So we're going to go into that here today. I'm going to show you guys where I put out that tweet to you all, hopefully saving everybody's portfolio, paying attention. The devil's in the details. Let's just go ahead and let's copy this tweet. Again, you guys have this handy dandy little analytics tool on TradingView where you guys can go over here. You guys can hit this little button, go down to the tweet section, tweet bar pops up. You guys can copy and paste tweets to actually see where your influencers are posting tweets out to you guys, telling you guys to either buy or sell price action. As you guys notice here, I posted this tweet out to you guys talking about a potential pullback down into XRP when price was roughly at around 52 cents. We did not get that price depreciation into 41 to 42 cents. However, we did have a major pullback that I was talking about, and we came down into 44 cents. When all these other bullish moon boys were telling you guys to buy up price action, hopefully you guys were not buying on tops. I was simply telling you guys to wait, not to get too excited, and that a major pullback was going to happen. Ladies and gentlemen, to bite the bullet, check this out. Hopefully I saved you all. This is probably what, roughly, just eyeing this is probably like 16 to 15%, 17%, almost nailed it. Okay. 17%, I could have saved you guys from buying a top just by understanding technical analysis properly. Why was I eyeing this pullback? Because what I saw in the market during this trading day, again, tweeting this out to you guys at a high, was that we were in overbought conditions. We failed to have a bullish momentum break above a previous high. This was at roughly 56 cents. The volume died out on XRP. It was heading into the weekend. Okay. So we were heading into the weekend. And we had trend line liquidity to the downside where over leveraged buyers were most likely drawing some type of imaginary trend line here in this area and buying at these lows, and also impulsive bullish candlestick moon boys buying at local tops. With that being said, all of those confluences coming into fruition, we were most likely going to experience some type of pullback. Now, like I said, my bearish targets of 41 cents, which I will go over here in just 1 second, have yet to come into fruition, but we did see that drastic pullback from the previous rally last week on XRP. So hopefully, like I said, following us on Twitter, putting our money where our mouth is at ahead of time, I was able to save you guys on your portfolio, okay? So what am I looking to expect here on XRP in the short term for anybody that cares? This is not financial advice. This is me just providing you guys with sound, logical, technical analysis. And what I'm looking to do here in the market while trading XRP for intraday positions, again, I utilize the broker CYPRX. I'm not an affiliate with them. I'm not going to sit here and try and get you guys to sign up with an affiliate link. If you guys are interested in intraday trading XRP, I've told you guys that I'm an intraday trader on XRP above 32 cents. I have long-term bags on XRP that I hold, but I only add to them if price is below 32 cents. Above 32 cents, I'm an intraday scalper. That means I look for buy and sell positions in the form of trading leverage on CYPRX. Google them. They're easy broker to just search up, and they offer a multitude of cryptocurrency assets that you guys can trade. You can even open a demo account with them. You guys can get used to trading leverage if that's something that you're interested in, okay? So with that being said, okay, for me personally, we need to break above the 51 cent psychological threshold. You guys will read a lot of these news fundamental articles, and a lot of them will say the 50 cent psychological threshold. But if you guys can pay attention to where the sell pressure starts to pick up at, it is actually at the 51 cent psychological threshold. So you guys can see here, we failed to break that 51 cent threshold here. That's once, twice, 3 times. 4 times we temporarily broke above that, but then melted straight back down into it. And now currently during this New York session, we sold again from that 51 cent psychological threshold, okay? We're on the 2-hour time frame. So for me personally, to see that tight squeeze up into 60 to 65 cents, which again is the May high areas from back when we had all of that bearish pressure pick up in the cryptocurrency market on XRP, you guys can see this is back in the May high area. That is where I'm going to be seeking to take profit if we do see a bullish squeeze up into those psychological levels. So for me to have intraday trading positions open up into those 60 cent, 65 cent psychological levels, I would like to see a bullish break above 51 cents, a bullish hold, a bullish retest and confirmation of that 51 cent to 52 cent psychological level. And then for intraday trading positions to create higher highs and higher lows up into that 60 cent psychological level threshold. If we fail to get that, and if we do get that, hold on, let me backtrack a little bit. That is where I will be taking profit, because most likely that will be us coming back into this area of sell pressure from back in May. And we are going to do one of 2 things. We're going to violate the May high if that price action does come into fruition, or major banking institutions, whales in this market, will seek to take sell positions from these May highs again. With that being said, intraday trading positions, if we do see a tight squeeze up into 60 to 65 cents on XRP, that is where I will be taking intraday profits, okay? With those targets being said, okay, to the downside, if we fail to break above this 51 cent psychological level, I am still expecting a short squeeze into 41 to 42 cents on XRP. The reason for that is I'm seeing currently trend line liquidity starting to build in the form of lows, okay, underneath of this 44 cent psychological level threshold, okay? So for me, if we get a bearish close beneath 51 cents and we see bears pick up, most likely we are going to see a short squeeze and a dump down into 41 cents. I will be mindful of these psychological levels. A break and a bullish hold above 51 cents is most likely going to push us up into 60 to 65 cents, where I'm going to seek to take intraday trading profits on XRP. Again, I've had people comment in the description down below saying that I contradict myself, saying that, you know, sometimes I'm bullish, sometimes I'm bearish on XRP. Do you guys even understand the difference? Okay. I'm an intraday trader. That means that I take buy and sell positions on XRP. That means I have to be bullish and bearish on XRP. I have a specific region on XRP where I add to my long-term bags. Yes, of course, I want to be a firm believer that in the future, XRP is going to go to $100, $1,000, $10,000 per token, because that would be life-changing wealth for me. Yes, I want to believe that in the future, I have the ability to hold some bag of XRP to those specific levels, right? But for me personally, okay, I could change my financial footprint if XRP even just goes to $15 to $20. I'm accumulating enough XRP, and I've already done accumulated enough XRP to where if those 10 to 15 to $20 price ranges come into fruition, that is more sound for me to take the majority of my profit from XRP and retire, creating some type of cash flow business that I can generate passive income from to situate myself financially for my future. Okay. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that 32-cent psychological level threshold is broken. That is where I add to my long-term bags on XRP. Any price action above that, I'm strictly a intraday trader on XRP, looking for buy and sell positions. You guys have my bullish and bearish targets. You guys have the broker that I personally utilize to trade XRP in the form of intraday trading positions. If you guys are interested in our technical analysis strategy, again, the link is in the description down below. Reach out to me. I'd love to have a personal one-on-one Zoom call with you guys talking about our strategy and what to expect from our mentorship program. Nothing that we constitute here is financial advice. This is all just logic. If we do see bulls squeeze above 51 cents, we are most likely going to come and take out the sell pressure or the over leveraged sellers that have open positions above these highs and activate buy stops from buyers who are willing to buy price action above the 55-cent psychological level threshold. This is most likely the type of price action that we're going to see. Will be a short squeeze up into 60 cents. We fail to break that 51-cent threshold, we are most likely going to dump down into 41 to 42 cents. Those are my levels to be mindful of coming up. Blessings to you guys. As always, be cognizant, be aware, do your own personal research. Nothing that we constitute here is financial advice. And as always, I cannot thank you guys enough. I will see you guys in the next YouTube video breakdown.
Won't stop till I hear him say